Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about excessive yawning. Yawning is when you open your mouth wide and take a deep breath, usually because you are tired, bored, or trying to cool your brain. It's your body's way of keeping you alert and refreshed. Causes of excessive yawning. 1. Fatigue or sleep deprivation. A natural response to lack of rest. 2. Boredom or inactivity, linked to low levels of stimulation. 3. Stress or anxiety. Yawning can help regulate brain temperature during emotional distress. 4. Brain cooling mechanism. Helps in maintaining an optimal brain temperature. 5. Medications. Certain medications, like those for depression or anxiety, may trigger excessive yawning. 6. Neurological conditions. Disorders such as epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, or stroke might lead to frequent yawning. 7. Heart or blood pressure issues. Yawning excessively can sometimes be related to vagus nerve activity and cardiovascular concerns. 8. Breathing problems. Insufficient oxygen levels may also play a role. Practical strategies to address excessive yawning. 1. Enhance sleep patterns. Stick to a consistent bedtime schedule and cultivate a relaxing sleep environment. 2. Prioritize iron-rich foods. Incorporate items like spinach, apples, and berries to support better oxygen flow. 3. Stay well hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can reduce the impact of dehydration, often mistaken for fatigue. 4. Adjust diet for restful sleep. Cut back on caffeine, alcohol, and heavy meals in the hours leading up to sleep. 5. Limit screen time before bed. Avoid exposure to electronic devices in the evening to prevent disruptions in sleep. 6. Engage in physical activities. Regular exercise boosts oxygen delivery and improves overall health. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.